If your desire is to make more money outside of your 9 to 5 job and you're learning a lot already, but not yet making money, your problem is not knowledge. Your problem is audacity. And today, I want to talk about one requirement that a lot of people are not talking about. Let me say this clearly. You do not need more knowledge to make money. The knowledge that you have is enough. You need audacity. That's the problem right now. And I'm going to tell you the way it is. The knowledge that you have is enough for you to kickstart your journey. If you've been following me for, a few weeks right now, I have created videos that have encouraged you and showed you the pathways to go if you want to monetize your skill set. And if today is the first video, then welcome. There are lots of videos that you can always watch, but you will still need to put in the work. There is a place of knowledge and there is a place of action. Knowledge without action is zero. Nothing can be done about it. If you look at your life, even though you have the skill that you have today, if you did not apply for that job, would you be employed? No, you will not. You still had to put your resume together. You still had to go send out those applications. You had to go for those interviews, and eventually you landed yourself a job. The same step still matters as you're trying to monetize your personal skill set. The only difference is nobody is pushing you, so you don't have the audacity to push yourself. Audacity is not only for those who have everything figured out. Audacity is moving regardless of not having everything figured out. Audacity is me coming out here today, recording this video in hopes that you are going to watch it. That's audacity. I am doing what is required regardless of how I feel. Audacity has nothing to do with arrogance. It's you just being confident enough with what you have and doing something about it. Because right now, you probably know the skill set you want to monetize. Right now, you've probably figured out the audience that you want to focus on. You know the exact problem. You probably know your offer. And if you don't have your offer figured out, there is a video that you can watch that would help you out. So all the information that you need to actually get you moving has been made available to you alone on this page. You don't even have to look elsewhere. On this YouTube channel, you can find every video that would help you from not having any clue at all to knowing exactly where to start from. So your problem is not knowledge, because even if you've not watched all of the videos, you can get to it in about a week. Those videos are really short, right? But at the end of the day, if you have the knowledge, the question I want you to ask yourself is this: what am I doing with that knowledge? What have I done today with that knowledge? What did I do yesterday with that knowledge? What did I do last week with that knowledge? What do I plan to do this coming week with that knowledge? That's the question that I have for you today. And if you don't have any plans to do anything about it, then you're just going to stay stuck. You're not going to make that money, and you're just going to live a life of regret and complaints because you are not making progress. Yet everything is at your fingertip. And I'm aware it could be scary. It could be unsettling. It could be overwhelming speaking to people, letting them know about this new thing that you are doing. Those feelings are valid. But that's why audacity is that pill that you need right now. Audacity is not caring about how I feel, not caring about how other people feel or what they think about me right now. Audacity is me going heads on with my desire and with my goal. I'm sure that you probably spend a few times on social media, and the people that you are most attracted to, I can tell you, they have one pill that they swallow every day, and that's the audacity pill. That is the pill that makes them get up and record that content over and over again until they start showing on your timeline every day, even without you searching for it. That's the audacity pill. The pill that tells them, you know what? You need to go create content. It doesn't matter how many views you're going to get today. It doesn't matter if people are going to like or comment. I am going to go tell the world about the skill set that I have. I am going to go tell this world about the skits, about whatever it is that they're creating content about. For you, it might not even be content. For you, it might be telling the next person about the problem you can help them solve. For you, it might just be you talking to a friend, talking to a colleague. For you, it might be you creating your next post. For you, it might be you creating your first video or your next video, even though the last one flopped. Have you gone through my page? Have you gone through my videos? The last 10 videos that I created barely have 100 views, but yet I am still creating videos because I am not focused on now. I am focused on the accumulation and the compound interest that will happen over time. That's audacity. Getting up to do what is required, regardless of the current situation, regardless of how I feel at the moment. And that's the same thing that you need. So even if you watch a zillion videos today, you read a zillion books today, if you do not take action, if you don't implement what you have learned, you are not going to make progress. So I'm going to be very honest with you. If you want to make money, you're going to need to swallow the same audacity pill that others before you have swallowed. You must be willing to speak up. You must be willing to reach out. You must be willing to talk to people. Create content. Do something that makes your skill set visible. Let people know that this is what you do. Even if the world does not know yet about it. Do people in your house know about it? Do your immediate friends know about it? Do your colleagues know about it? If it matters, right? I'm just giving you an example. People need to know that you are doing this thing. The same way people know that you work at XYZ, they need to know that this is the problem that you now help people to do. So here's what I want you to do this week. I don't want you to learn something new. I want you to put to practice something that you have learned. Go do something you learned last week. Put it to work. I'll give you an example. Last week, I was thinking of how to, improve my editing skill set for my short form video content. And I was watching different, videos that I came across. And as I learned from someone's video that I watched, I went to immediately go implement it. Now, even though my video is not as perfect as that person who is a professional, guess what? My video is slightly better than it was last week. That's what happens when you put to practice what you learned. I was learning about contrast, saturation, all of these words that were new to me, but it made sense. And I could see the immediate improvement in my videos. So you've got to put to work the things that you learn. It's important that we're learning, but even more important is doing. To make money, you need audacity and you need to swallow that pill every day until you see the money that you desire. So for every time the money that you desire is not in your hands, remember to swallow another audacity pill and go do something about the skill sets that you have in your hands and put it to work, and you will see the results. And don't stop doing until you get the desired results. That's what makes it happen. And that's what you need to do. So this is not a motivation video. This is your requirement video. This is that video that you need in order to get to work. So what are you going to do this week? Are you going to create a post? Are you going to create a video? Are you going to write your offer and tell somebody about the offer? I want you to do something that steps outside of you. I don't want you to do anything that has to just do with you. So enough of the research, right? Let's get off from our computer. Let's get out of our heads. Let's start talking to people. Let's start talking to friends. Let's start talking to the community. Let's start talking to the world. So if you don't have friends, go make a post out there. If you don't have colleagues, go talk to your church members. If you don't have church members, go find something and someone that you can talk to outside of yourself and share your goals and your dreams about it. And I want you to do it every day this week. So that next week, we can talk about the results that you experience for it. Because I can tell you for certain that you can work on something for 7 days and not see marvelous results. That is a time-tested fact. So now go put it to work. And by next week, I want you to drop in the comments the progress that you have made outside of just researching on your skill set, outside of just trying to figure out that offer. I want results and report on. I spoke to somebody today. I created the first post telling the world about my service offering. Even though I didn't get a like, I still made that post. I still made that video. That's the real progress, because every progress is going to compound and is going to bring you exactly what you need. I hope today's video was super helpful, and I hope more importantly, it moves you to get off your seat and go talk to somebody about your skill set. Here's me wishing you the best as usual. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you same time next week. My name remains Yinka Okunlade. Bye, guys.